It's Monday morning, it's day Thursday, Friday 4, and we're in downtown Nice, southern France. Rainy mornings, about 7 o'clock. Trip so far, yeah, pretty good. DeLorean drove really well. That snow yesterday was unbelievable. We were going down a 1 in 10 grade, which I've never experienced before in a full-on snowstorm. And the car, just barely on its limits, held and got us there in one piece. Unfortunately, Michael in the support car crashed out, and we're not going to have him from Monaco. So the filming that I wanted to do with the car behind us in Monaco is not going to happen. So Jared and I will come up with something. We'll mount something on the car, and we'll make a go of it anyway. So today we leave Nice. We head to Monaco, hopefully do the circuit, the F1 circuit, and then on to Brescia. It's a long day again, but probably won't get in until about 9 or so. But yeah, full day, looking forward to it. And Brescia is our destination for the Mille Miglia. We'll get to rest there for a couple of days, and then on down the coast of Italy. We'll be doing all the filming there as well. It's a shitty day, but this is the Mecca for me. We've been driving for, it seems like years to get here. It's a shitty day again, piles of rain, but we're on the Monaco circuit. We're going to go around it here in a second in the car. Absolutely brilliant, so excited. You can see the skyline of Monaco just through the rain. The car's made it, as you can see. Here it is, look, all in one piece. We'll get Jared on the camera to go around the course, and yeah, great motion. Okay, this is the start of the Monaco circuit. We're going to try and squeeze in between the traffic here and do a wee run around to let us.